So what are you trying to go do, bub?
A mail for the mail truck.
Okay, and then where were you gonna go? Where did you tell me you were just gonna go?
Outside.
Why were you gonna go outside?
Because I need to get mail.
Oh, what's in the mail?
A blue garbage truck in the mail.
Well, who sent you the blue garbage truck in the mail? Do you remember?
No, remember?
I didn't get you a blue garbage truck, so who's giving you a blue garbage truck in the mail?
A mailman.
The mailman did? He bought you a blue garbage truck?
He bring me mail for my mail truck.
Oh, he's going to bring you some mail for your mail truck too?
Yup. He will bring it.
Okay.
The mailman will bring it.
Okay. What else is he going to bring?
Blue garbage truck there, the door, and a jumper, and a door, and a back, and a milk tank.
And a milk tank?
With a big garbage truck.
Huh. Didn't Santa just bring you a garbage truck? A green garbage truck?
Not a green garbage truck, just a blue one with doors and a jumper and the back and a milk tank and wheels.
Oh. Well, why is that going to be in the mailbox?
Bring the mailman brings.
Oh, he's just going to bring it? He just knows that's what you want?
Yep.
Okay.
He will send it in the mail.
Okay. So you're going to go to the mailbox to check it?
Yep. That I'm going to check.
Aren't your feet going to be cold?
Yep. I'm just getting some mail from the delivery man.
Oh, you're just going to get the mail from the delivery man?
He said something else store at a different store.
Oh, he has something else from a different store?
He has a different mail. He's getting a different mail from me to put in my mail book.
Oh, okay.
And here.
Cool.
I'm getting my mail. He's been putting it in here.
Oh, okay. Your blue garbage truck's going to fit in there?
Blue garbage book will be in the mail.
Oh, it's in the real mailbox?
Cause I better go get it.
Ah, okay.